Wanna crown me a blood clot, drive out of the drop top dog. Or the
Yo, what's style, man? For your device, I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man. You hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
What's good, viewers and subscribers? I hope you all doing good. I hope you all having a productive day on this beautiful Monday morning. From your device, you know, it's your boy Soji TV Entertainment, you know. I mean, I say, one of me charge them, you know. I do him thing in a music world right now, you know. You see me? Him goes by the name.
while them a go and call up the boss name, we got them girl in our bed.
City Boss, and in drop a song title Bang Brain. You see me? No joke. You know say dog forward from in a sentence side though, and him a do him thing, you know. So I want to know guys we go run through him catalog a song because in there I put in the work. Slowly but surely, you see me? So I want to know guys to make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. I want to know guys to go over there, go give him a listening here and forward back over here so make me know what time it is. You see me? You know so that song they record by One City Records to you see it. So you don't know say Soji TV Entertainment I run through it and the artist send me him link other night and I say we must check out the song and thing and the artist him a go on he not tree bad, you see me? Him a do him thing so you know say when if you go over there go give him the support and make him know say and me sending over there, you see me? City Boss, big up yourself in my G. You know, so we believe in a thing, you know, dog. So just go on, continue, do the right thing, you see it? Because you know, Soji TV Entertainment out here. And once you see one review, you know, look out for more review. You see, pray? No joke, man. So a day we there go on, do the right thing. But maybe not see me out on the YouTube for a while, but me there see me I watch the channel and I see how people them a react to it thing and I see say on not tree support me thing still in a but there we there you know man, mind over matter you know man. The strongest always get the fight, you see it. So there we there and I do the right thing. So I want to know guys we go over City Boss Vivo, go and go subscribe to him music when job. Right now hours ago, some hours ago. You see me? So go give him the support and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send him over there. You see me? I appreciate you all. Hundreds.
Life rearrange, star move strange. Right now, girl, I live.